Dear children, let's start new chapter, that is lesson 20, Know Your Currency. Children, when you buy toys from a shopkeeper, you give him money in the form of notes or coins. This is known as currency. Today, we will know about currency by reading the conversation between Preeti and her cousin Mandeep. So, let's start our lesson from page number 143. Preeti has collected some coins and currency notes and now she is arranging them in a sequence. Then she will arrange these coins in an album. Many of these coins and notes are given to her by her cousin Mandeep. Let us see how she has arranged these notes in her album. Mandeep feels that it will be better for Preeti to arrange Indian currency and foreign currency separately. Children, can you help Preeti in identifying Indian and foreign currency? You can read the name of country over currency notes. Mandeep told Preeti a few special things about Indian currency notes so that she might be able to solve this task of recognition. Let's read conversation between them. After showing rupee 2000 note, Mandeep said, "This is a 2000 rupee note. Bharatiya Reserve Bank in Hindi and Reserve Bank of India in English is written on it. The color of this note is dark pink. There is a picture of Mahatma Gandhi in front and Mangalyaan on back side. It also bears Swachh Bharat logo on it. 2000 rupees is written in many languages over it." Children, I think now you can identify rupee 2000 note easily. Now continue our lesson. Mandeep asked, "How many languages are written on a 10 rupee note?" Preeti showed her ignorance by making faces. Mandeep said, "Okay, I tell you. Besides Hindi and English, value of 10 rupee note is written in 15 other languages. That is, total of 17 languages are written on a 10 rupee note." Children, let's know about these languages. Along with Hindi and English, these languages are Assami, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Nepalese, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. Now children, tell me, how many languages can you read out of these? Yes, I knew it. You can read 3 languages: Hindi, English and Punjabi. Children, that's all about today's lesson. Now, let's do question answer from back exercise. For question number 1, a picture of 500 rupee note is given. Observe and answer the questions. First question is, how many languages are written on a 500 rupee note? Children, we have read in the chapter that besides Hindi and English, the value of a note is written in 15 other languages. That is, total of 17 languages. So, our answer will be 17 languages are written on a 500 rupee note. Second question, picture of which historic monument is printed on a 500 rupee note? Children, we can see that Red Fort is printed on a 500 rupee note? So our answer will be picture of Red Fort is printed on a 500 rupee note. And now children, for your homework, you have to answer both these questions in your notebook.